A few years ago, I had a job in a marketing department, but one morning, I got an email that changed everything. The email said that I was laid off along with my coworkers. This was tough, but it made me think about other ways to make money, which we call side hustles. So, in this video, I'm excited to share with you 6 side hustles that are not only doable, but can actually help you earn money in 2025. If you're interested in finding a new way to earn some extra cash, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore these side hustles together. Side Hustle 1. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Have you ever thought about writing your own book? With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Amazon KDP, you can make that happen. Amazon KDP is a place on the internet where anyone can create and sell their books on Amazon, the big online store. The cool part? You don't need to write a big novel. You can start with simpler books. Here's how you can get started with Amazon KDP. 1. Sign up. First, go to the Amazon KDP website and create an account. It's free and easy to do. 2. Choose your book. Think about what kind of book you want to make. It could be anything from a cookbook to a coloring book. A great idea is to start with something simple like a word search book. These are fun for people to do and can be made quickly. 3. Create your book. Once you've got your idea, use tools on Amazon KDP to set up your book. You'll upload things like the cover of your book and the pages inside. If you want to see sales quickly, focus on special kinds of books that aren't too common, like word search books. They are easy to make and a lot of people enjoy buying them. Side hustle. 2. Merch by Amazon. Imagine creating your own t-shirt designs and selling them without worrying about printing or shipping. That's what Merch by Amazon lets you do. Merch by Amazon is a cool service where you can design t-shirts and Amazon will handle the rest, from making the shirts to sending them out to customers. And the best part? You don't have to pay any money to start. Here's how you can start selling your own t-shirts on Merch by Amazon. 1. Sign up. First, you need to apply to join Merch by Amazon. Go to their website and fill out the application. It's important to share some of your design ideas or past work if you have any. 2. Design your t-shirts. Once you're accepted, you can start designing. If you're not a pro at graphic design, don't worry. You can use simple online tools like Canva or Placeit. These tools have ready-to-use templates that make it super easy to create cool t-shirt designs. 3. Upload your designs. After creating your designs, upload them to Amazon. Set up your t-shirt listings with descriptions and prices. To make designs that really stand out and sell well, try using trending themes or funny quotes. Tools like Canva and Placeit will help you make these designs quickly and beautifully, even if you're not a designer. Side hustle. 3. Amazon Influencer. Do you love sharing your favorite products with friends? Well, you can actually make money doing just that with the Amazon Influencer program. This program allows you to earn money by creating videos about products you like and posting them on Amazon. Here's how you can become an Amazon influencer and start earning. 1. Apply to the program. First, you need to apply to be an Amazon influencer. Visit the Amazon influencer page and fill out the application. You'll need to have an active YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok account where you already share content regularly. 2. Get accepted. If Amazon thinks you're a good fit, they'll accept you into the program. They look for people who have a good number of followers and who often engage with their audience. 3. Start making videos. Once you're in, start making videos about products you find on Amazon. These could be reviews, unboxings, or just showing how you use the products in real life. 4. Post your videos. Upload your videos directly to the product pages on Amazon. This way, people shopping for these products can see your videos and learn more about the items. Choose to make videos about products that you're truly interested in or passionate about. When you care about the product, it shows in your videos, making them more engaging and trustworthy. People are more likely to watch and buy products based on your recommendations if they feel your genuine enthusiasm. Side hustle 4. TikTok Shop. Affiliate. Have you ever watched a fun video on TikTok and seen a product you just had to have? That's what being a TikTok Shop affiliate is all about. You can make videos that show off different products, link them directly in your TikTok, and earn money every time someone buys something through your link. Here's how to get started as a TikTok Shop affiliate. 1. Sign up for TikTok Shop. First, you need to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program. You'll have to apply through TikTok and get approved based on your follower count and engagement levels. 2. Pick products to promote. Once you're in, choose products that you think your audience will love. It's best to pick items that you're genuinely excited about because your enthusiasm will show in your videos. 3. Create engaging videos. Make fun and creative TikToks showing how the products work or how you use them in your daily life. Make sure your videos are eye-catching and include clear, easy-to-follow affiliate links. 4. Post regularly. Keep your audience engaged by posting regularly. The more content you create, the more chances you have to earn commissions. Reach out to companies and ask if they can send you free products. This way, you can make your videos more genuine and trustworthy. When your viewers see that you're actually using the products, they're more likely to trust your recommendations and make a purchase. Side hustle 5. Digital downloads. Digital downloads are a great way to make money online by selling things you create once and can sell over and over again. These can be anything digital, like templates for websites, ebooks about things you know a lot about, or even cool graphic designs that others can use. Here's how to start selling digital downloads. 1. Choose what to create. First, think about what you're good at or what interests you. It could be making beautiful wedding invitation templates, writing helpful guides on topics you know well, or designing fun graphics for t-shirts. 2. Create your digital product. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop to create your digital products. These tools are great because they help you make things look professional without needing to be an expert in design. 3. Set up shop. Once your products are ready, choose where to sell them. Platforms like Etsy are perfect for starting because they're popular and easy to use. Another good choice is Gumroad, especially for digital books or courses. 4. List your products. Upload your products to these platforms. Include clear, attractive images of your products and write detailed descriptions so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Use high-quality tools online to make sure your products look top-notch. Websites like Place8 can help you create mock-ups of your products, which makes them look real and professional. This can really help attract more buyers because they can see exactly what they're buying and how it looks in real life. Side hustle 6. Niche educational YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel focused on a specific topic you know a lot about is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and make money online. This is called a niche educational YouTube channel. It's all about choosing a special area you're passionate about, like gardening, video games, or cooking, and making videos about it. Here's how you can start your own educational YouTube channel. 1. Choose your niche. Pick a subject you love and know a lot about. This will be the main focus of your channel. It's important to choose something specific, like tips for beginner gardeners or easy recipes for students, so your channel stands out. 2. Create your channel, sign up on YouTube, and set up your channel. Give it a catchy name that reflects your niche. Customize your channel with a logo and a nice banner to make it look appealing. 3. Plan your content. Think about what kind of videos you want to make. They could be tutorials, tips, or even daily vlogs about your niche. Plan your videos by writing down your ideas and deciding what you'll talk about in each one. 4. Start filming. Use a good camera to record your videos. Make sure your videos are clear and easy to watch. Good lighting and clear audio are very important too. 5. Upload and promote. Once your videos are ready, upload them to YouTube. Share them on social media and with friends to get more viewers. Focus on educational content that can help people learn something new. This type of content often attracts advertisers who pay more to advertise on your videos. The more useful and informative your videos are, the more likely you are to attract these higher-paying advertisers. If you're looking to make some extra money, why not give one of these a try? Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips to help you succeed.